Potato, red lentil and green bean curry. Prepare the ingredient. Finely dice 1 onion. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Chop 700 grams of potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Chop 4 carrots into bite-sized pieces. Chop the 2 handfuls of green beans into bite-sized pieces. Chop 1 handful of fresh coriander. Heat a large pot on a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the potatoes, carrots and 2 cups of red lentils. Add 1/2 cups of vegetable stock. Add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Bring to the boil, reduce the heat and cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils and the vegetables are tender and the sauce has thickened. Stir in the green beans and a few fresh coriander leaves. Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir well and serve.